I have a customer that wants to find the email addresses of all these people on this podcast, and I'm going to show how you can get it done. You can use Instant Data Scraper to grab this or the Clay Chrome extensions. Whoops. So we clicked on the Clay Chrome extension. All I really need is the title here. I don't need anything else. The description is cool, but yeah, really all I need is the title. We just want to make sure that the title is always in one spot. Okay, so see how it says CL26 rows? So there's only 26 showing here, so we need to load more. If it was longer than this, I would build an automation to paginate all of this, but no need to build an automation when it's just going to be this fast. And see how we went from 26 to 86? This is exactly what we're looking for here. Grab all this. Cool. So now we've got 127, and there's 128 episodes. Interesting. We're missing one, but that's fine. So now we're going to hit add to workspace, and it's going to open up the data here, and I'll say podcast scraping. All right. And so now all we really need to do is I want to split the name up by the domain. And so we're going to do that real quick. We're just going to say return everything between, I'm going to say that and comma. Boom. Oh, whoops. Then we're going to put text 2. We're going to finish this quote. Great. So we got the name. And then we'll just say return everything after the comma. That's 2. Then we generate. Cool. Nice. So now we're going to add an enrichment. So now I actually should talk to the Clay team about this. You're going to look up the website domain. So we need to go from a company name to a website, right? And so we can use Clearbit to do this. And that's going to be the free, easy one to do. So we'll do find domain from company name. And then our company name is in here. And then we'll run this, and we got this, and then we're going to run everything, right? Now, some of these we're not going to be able to find. Like this AlphaTauri Red Bull, like that's not going to work. I don't even really know what's going on there. This is a fashion line. So we're just going to name this AlphaTauri instead. Because now when we have the domain, we can attempt to find these people's email addresses. Yes, see, that worked. So then if we don't, though, we can do a Google search or we can use Claygen. And I actually really like using Claygen lately. So anyway, now we'll just go out and we'll say add enrichment, Claygen. And then why? Oh, somehow I'm in this Clay workspace. Okay, well. Oh. Get company name from domain. Yeah, we don't want this though, but we're gonna put the company name in here. I'm just gonna flip this around. Three 3.5 is gonna get away with this. This is totally fine. Then we'll run this. Oh, we want to run this conditionally, so it only runs if this is empty, right? So we're going to hit this, and then we're going to say only run, we got domain. We're just going to put a exclamation point in front of that. Output is correct. Save and run. Cool. So now it's only going to run when this is empty, and this is empty anyway, so whatever. Now we're going to let this run. And we're just going to maybe check on a couple. Cool. So now I'm just going to map this. You don't actually have to map it, but I like to just map it. And then we're going to set up a merge column. And so our merge column is going to be first the domain. You don't have to map it because you could just get it out of here, but I just like the domain. And then we will take this one, the result, and we're good to go there. And now we are just going to find email addresses. And we're going to use a waterfall. Usually I don't use a waterfall because I think it's like actually pinging too many things for no reason. But we are going to use these. Well, we can use all of them. And then we're just going to put in the full name, which is in our formula right here. And then, yep, new column is where we want this. Boom, boom. Okay, and so we're going to go through all these and see what we can find, and we'll hit save and run. And that is how you would scrape this and then go and try to find these people's email addresses. And so a lot of these are covered just because of the way they're doing the work. So I just wanted to show you that it's working. And we're going to try to find the email addresses of these people. And so super quick workflow. If you've watched my channel a lot, you might know how to do this already. But for those who don't know how to do this, I hope it was really useful for you. So yeah, have a good day.